fingers up to you fuck boys. Onyx DOD, yeah we my boy. DOPE, black rock boy. Drop boys, the illest in the ozone. No clone, now we bad till we bone homes. So stone, take a dab off the homegrown. Phone home like an extraterrestrial.
Out of this world, bitch, your rap shit's terrible. Talk the talk, walk the walk, no you never do. Chop your head off, then I put it on a pedestal. Clean up the tools, had a scheme, but you never knew.
Well, no, crack your window, take that Nintendo. Cut them in flow, 5 high, 5 low. Psycho, 5-0, die slow. I'm a pyromaniac,
Ready for the sneak attack.
niggas know the ripper back. Burning through your speaker set.
We ain't getting weaker yet.
Sudden death, 100 man.
Understand,
They got us living in the last days.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Give a fuck.
Straight from the grain, I'll be giving you the pain.
I don't give a fuck. Give a fuck. Give a fuck.
I'll be giving you the
Sounds like the sounds of war.
What? We saying fuck all you bitch niggas. Guns up, we sticking all you rich niggas. Onyx DOD, take your bitch niggas. When you see us coming, better dig your ditch niggas. We put them 6 feet deep underground, yo.
I'm going in for the kill, homie, Aldro.
Yo, I got a stick, I'ma hold it down, bro. I kill them all till you won't hear sound, yo. We
A few moments later.
Pour ce premier passage, pas de soucis, il lui en reste un deuxième, pas d'inquiétude. On passe par contre à une Nissan S14. Oula, le là, il vient direction caméra, il vient direction le caméraman. Non, non, c'est de l'autre côté que ça se passe.